Hey everyone, Lenovo's latest entry into the smartwatch market, simply named the Lenovo Watch, is generating excitement as it brings a range of features to consumers in China. Positioned as a versatile companion for fitness and daily needs, it offers advanced health monitoring, Bluetooth calling, and digital payment compatibility, all at a price point that appeals to budget-conscious buyers. Here's an in-depth review of its specifications, standout features, and pricing. The Lenovo Watch boasts a premium design with metal construction, fortified by Panda Glass for added durability. Available in deep space black and storm gray, it's clear that Lenovo aimed to strike a balance between functionality and style. The 1.43-inch AMOLED display, with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and a pixel density of 326 ppi, provides sharp, vibrant visuals. The display supports always-on mode, making it convenient for users to check the time or their notifications with a quick glance, while multiple customizable watch faces let users personalize their style to suit both casual and athletic settings. Equipped with dual-mode Bluetooth 5.3, the Lenovo Watch ensures seamless connectivity with smartphones. This allows users to access call logs, receive notifications, and even make or receive calls directly from the watch. The built-in high-definition speaker enhances audio quality, making it suitable for voice navigation and clear call experiences, a feature often reserved for pricier smartwatches. With 70 sport modes, the Lenovo Watch aims to support a wide array of fitness activities, from running and cycling to swimming and yoga. The device automatically detects and records activities, providing users with detailed insights into their workouts. The real-time monitoring of blood oxygen, heart rate, and sleep ensures that users can track their health metrics closely, while a built-in breathing exercise mode promotes mental and physical relaxation. Additionally, the Lenovo Watch has an IP68 water resistance rating, which safeguards it against splashes, rain, and dust. Also, it can be used for public transportation payments in multiple locations, transforming the smartwatch into a versatile travel companion. Powered by a capable chipset, the Lenovo Watch delivers steady performance. Battery life is rated up to 12 days in power-saving mode and around 8 days with regular use, making it a reliable choice for users who prefer minimal charging frequency. The Lenovo Watch is currently available for pre-sale on JD.com, listed initially at about $69. The Lenovo Watch is a well-rounded smartwatch that brings advanced health tracking, fitness modes, and lifestyle features to the budget market. Its stylish design, paired with essential features like Bluetooth calling and payment compatibility, make it a strong contender for users who want a one-stop device for fitness and daily connectivity. The price-to-feature ratio is impressive, making it a compelling option for those looking for functionality without breaking the bank. For users in China, the Lenovo Watch provides significant value and could be a great addition to their tech arsenal. Whether you're an athlete, a commuter, or a lifestyle enthusiast, the Lenovo Watch offers a solid blend of style, convenience, and tech at an attractive price point. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new watch? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.